Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the hardware and software current. Install Zen Studio on your PC and update your Cronus Zen firmware immediately. Once done, plug the Zen into the PC with a good USB cable and confirm device drivers install. Make sure your Xbox Series X is powered and your controller battery is charged. Use a wired connection first. These steps remove most connection variables, so when you move to loading the Bo6 profile, the Zen responds predictably and quickly. Now you configure the Zen with the Bo6 game pack or the Only Way script. Open Zen Studio, pick the Xbox Series X target, then import or browse to the Bo6 script and place it in an empty slot. Map controller buttons if the pack requires custom binds and set polling to the highest stable value, 8 ms or 1000 HC, so inputs feel immediate. Once saved to the Zen, unplug from PC and attach the unit to the Xbox, confirming the profile slot number matches what you saved. To finish, connect the Zen to the Xbox Series X, then plug your controller into the Zen and power both devices. Launch Black Ops 6 and test key functions, recoil patterns, aim smoothing, and button macros. Tweak values back in Zen Studio if needed. If the console shows the controller as disconnected, try a different USB cable, reflash the Zen firmware, and confirm the Xbox accessory settings allow wired controllers. One troubleshooting tip: if behavior is inconsistent, reset the profile slot, re-import the script, and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.